Strike's strategic move, global expansion and relocation to El Salvador. Good day, lovely people. I hope you have a fantastic day. Let's begin with today's blog. Strike, a Bitcoin payment provider formerly based in Chicago, has significantly expanded its global presence by stretching its services to 65 countries while simultaneously shifting its global headquarters to El Salvador. This marked expansion has positioned the mobile app, previously operational exclusively in the United States, El Salvador, and Argentina, to broaden its reach and impact in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The expansion strategy spearheaded by Jack Mallers, the CEO and founder of Zap, Strike's parent company, aims to offset the obscurity and fragmentation in the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, characterized by concealed licensing regimes and a sprawling variety of coins. In an interview with Fortune, Mallers shed light on the motivation behind the relocation of Strike's headquarters to El Salvador. The move was spurred by an increasingly crypto-skeptical regulatory landscape in the United States that hinders the company's potential to fully operate within the country. Contrarily, El Salvador has carved out a reputation for crypto-favorable regulations aimed at fostering tech-driven innovations, making it an attractive destination for Strike. A case in point is the city of New York, where regulatory hurdles have hindered Strike from offering its services, showcasing the restrictive environment in parts of the U.S. In an interesting conversation about El Salvador's move to make Bitcoin a legal tender, Mallers expressed his unique perspective on what defines the success of such a move. According to him, merchant adoption is not the only parameter of success. He attributed El Salvador's triumph in adopting Bitcoin to a series of factors, among them a notable boost in tourism. As Strike moves into new global markets, it will initially allow users to only receive Bitcoin. Nevertheless, plans are underway to roll out new features by the end of the year, including a debit card. For markets outside the US, Strike is looking to facilitate US dollar payments via Tether, a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. 2 years back, a decision to headquarters in El Salvador and launch a product for 3 billion people might have invited mockery, says Mallers. Yet, with the unfolding regulatory struggles for companies like Coinbase, his bold move seems vindicated. Who's laughing now? Mallers concludes, hinting at the company's strategic win in adapting to a changing regulatory environment and targeting a wider global user base. In conclusion, Strike's expansion to 65 countries and its relocation to El Salvador represents a bold, strategic move that underlines the importance of a supportive regulatory environment for the growth and evolution of crypto businesses. As the global narrative around crypto becomes more contentious, companies like Strike are playing a critical role in charting a path forward, demonstrating that proactive adaptation is key in this rapidly changing landscape. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting and memorializing my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently.